Hi guys, today I eat egg and bacon and bread.
Is Edmonton's Kiss 91.7. Listen anywhere with the new Radio Player Canada app or the Kiss 91.7 app.
We're at IKEA. Hi. So cool. Hello. Matching sa ano mo, sa jacket mo. Oh, I know. It's just the design. It's really nice. Twinkle lights.
Hi guys, so we are back home now from IKEA. So basically we just had dinner and basically my sister and I will just assemble some of the things that we got from IKEA. So I got a table for my filming room, and then she got a vanity dresser and chair for her room. Hi guys, so I'm actually off the bed now. My sister is still assembling her dresser, but I had to go to sleep because it's too late now. Hello guys, happy Monday. So today is Monday. I just dropped off Micah. Now I'm just answering emails and doing things related to work. So, if you guys notice during the weekdays, there's not a lot of things going on with me in general because I like what I said from the freebies. I don't know if I mentioned it already, but from my freebies vlog, I work from home and Micah go to school 3 times a week. My husband and I go to the gym on weeknights, Monday to Wednesday, sometimes on Saturday as well. Right now, I work out with my husband. We both are certified as a personal instructor, but we no longer do it as a job. But he's the one who used to train quite a lot of people one on one. So he is training me. So he designed our program together and we work out together, which is I'm so grateful because I used to be one of those girl who just go to group classes because I'm so afraid to work out on the way area because I get so I don't know, insecure, or I get so that people are gonna look at me. But with my husband, he really helps me a lot. Yeah, so if you are one of those girl like me before that are so afraid to lift weights and go to weight training, find somebody who can be your accountability and who will train with you. It doesn't have to be your partner. Somebody who's your friend, maybe your colleague. So and start slow. Like when I started, I literally just, do the weight training, the dumbbells, and all that. But now I am able to do machines now because with the help of my husband, of course. But yeah, so find someone who you can be accountable with. I just want to, guys, thank you guys so much for those of you who've been watching my vlog, and it means a lot, especially I'm only starting to do this weekly vlog. It's not easy, guys. Actually, the hardest part is editing your vlog and have it up on a schedule. But if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, I actually do announcement there as well. Yeah, so if you have an Instagram, make sure to follow me there. I always post something on my Instagram story if I uploaded a new video. Good morning, guys. Today, actually lunchtime na. Today is Wednesday. Micah have school, and Jody will pick me up, and we're going to Ikea. Today, I'm having chicken and then some kale salad and coffee. So that's for lunch today. Hello guys! Happy Thursday! Ngayon lang ako ulit nakapag-vlog. Yeah, so I'm actually just cooking a little bit of dinner. We have late dinner na kasi kagagaling ko lang sa school ni Micah. So Micah is off to kindergarten. So I went to yung open house nila, and then I went to a sports store to pick up few things. Let me just show you guys. Yeah, and so Chris and I have been working out at least 3 to 4 days a week, and then nagba-basketball siya twice a week. So I also went to the store and get him some of the pre-workout for energy, and this one has fat burner on it. I used to take this one, however, I got so much acne when I was taking this, so I had to stop. So instead I went ahead and get something. So this one is the essential amino acid for energy. So this one is not as strong as this one, but I still have to lower my dose. But this one I can drink it during my workout, and the lady is kind enough to give me some sample, and I want to try some pre-workout that doesn't have the fat burner on it, so she gave me this sample. So I decided to saute the turkey bacon with the onions, and then I'm gonna add the potatoes. So these are the mini potatoes. And then I'll add some spinach. And then at this point, I like to just turn off the heat. So it's just basically steam, so it doesn't overcook the spinach. So here's the final dish. So it's the sauteed onions and turkey bacon with mini potatoes and spinach. Very simple. So here's for dinner. So I'm having a little bit of rice. I can't cut off the rice completely yet because I'm lifting weight, so I need some carbs on my diet. And then but I eat a lot of vegetables, and then just a chicken. So beautiful outside. Ooh, look at this guy.